In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Outlook email on Windows. And trust me, it's a breeze once you know how. If you're like many people who prefer the soothing tones of a dim screen, especially for late night emailing or just to give your eyes a bit of a rest, enabling dark mode can really make a difference. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do to get started is head over to Outlook on the web. You can do this by visiting one of the two official URLs, either outlook.com or outlook.office.com. Both these sites will take you to the same interface you need to be in. Fire up your browser, type in the address, and hit enter. If you're already logged in, great. If not, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and do that. Once you're on the main dashboard of Outlook, it's time to make use of the settings. Zoom your gaze up to the top right corner of the screen. Can you spot the gear icon, the one that looks like a little cog? That's your settings menu. Simply click on this icon and you will see a variety of options drop down, providing several customization settings for your Outlook experience. Within this drop-down menu, you'll notice a section dedicated to the theme. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the toggle that pertains specifically to dark mode and switch it on. It's as simple as that. With the flick of that virtual switch, the entire interface of Outlook's web application will undergo a transformation, switching to a soothing dark theme. The text becomes lighter against a dark background, which can be kinder to the eyes, especially in low light environments. Once you've turned on dark mode, you also have the option to choose custom color accents to personalize your experience even further. This way, you can tailor your Outlook to reflect a bit of your personality while still enjoying the comfort and elegance of a dark theme. And there you have it. Your Outlook on the web is now comfortably ensconced in dark mode. This is such a quick yet impactful change, and it can drastically improve your email experience on the web. Remember, while this walkthrough was specific to the web application, you can find similar settings in other Outlook versions as well. So whether you're working late into the night or just prefer a darker aesthetic, enabling dark mode is a simple step that can significantly enhance your overall user experience. As always, thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.